Disney baby. Hey Disney boy. Barely. Look up here.
Manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas.
We are here. The magic in Disney is just tangible every single time. We wasted no time and went for one of the most popular rides first, Peter Pan's flight. Caleb decided that he liked the little bedroom and he wanted to go in it. I just really loved how they had all these little activities to keep Caleb entertained while waiting on the main ride. For him, these were like little mini rides, and honestly, I really enjoyed them too. The lines at Disney can get really long, and he's only 2 years old, so I was a tad worried. But man, I needed not to be worried. He was such a trooper, he did really well, and these activities definitely helped. After the Winnie the Pooh ride, Caleb spotted the main characters, and so you best believe we waited another 30 minutes in a line to meet and greet them. He got a little Tigger from the gift store, and it was the absolute highlight of his day, and he still talks about his Tigger and his teddy bear, the Pooh.
Go, look! Come, give high five, come.
Let's take a picture. say, Caleb? You want to go on that ride?
Does it look
Aladdin's
fun?
magic carpet. It looks fun.
Does it look fun?
I'm gonna go on it, baby. We're gonna go.
Sorry, I missed.
Caleb.
Katie has granted your wish. You're off to a whole new world.
Mommy. Whoa. Caleb, look, baby, look. Caleb, up there. Caleb, whoa, look at me. Do you like it? Hey, what was your favorite part, Caleb? Oh, in the sky. Okay, baby.
My right part is going down the side.
Oh.
Come on, you're gonna ride a horse.
Tell us what the heart is, yeah. It's all done. Caleb saw these wrist guards and couldn't leave without taking one for a spin. He passed the height test twice and he was able to drive. Let's go.
Keep going, keep going. Keep driving. Gotta hold on to the steering. Mommy's in front. Look, mommy's in the
in it, baby. Kill it.
Whoa.
Look at the other car. Let's go to open it. Gosh. What is this about? Could have a By this time, I was really expecting Caleb to be so tired, but y'all, I was the tired one. We went for a little stroll. We were ending our day by this time, and we got some sweet treats for our well-deserved boy, and we were just waiting around to see the fireworks. Yeah, easy, baby. Do you like it? It's cool? Alright, take tiny bites, tiny bites. Can I have some more? Thank you.
Where the crowds would cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be."
And so our journey comes to an end. Let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The battles, the stories, the losses, and all the glory were changed by the way we live every day. Just look up and reach to the sky.